My name is Ahmad Kirullah bin Rosmizi and my matric number is 2023408702.
Hi, my name is Adit Safwan bin Azami and my matrix number is 2023287376.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Irshad Fahmi bin Imran and my matrix number is 2023422012.
In compound interest, the formula used are S equal to P bracket 1 plus I power of n and I equal to S minus B. S as the future value, P is principal, I is periodic interest rate, and n is number of interest periods. Note that I is equal to K, nominal interest rate, divided by M, frequency of conversion.
For annuity, if you want to find a future value, we're using S equals to R bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n minus 1 divided by I, and I is equal to S minus Rn. If you want to find a present value, we're using A is equals to R 1 minus 1 plus I, the power of negative n divided by I, and I is equals to Rn plus A. Noted that R is regular or periodic term payment, I is equals to rate per interest period in percentage, and n is equals to number of payment.
In case study 1, you are assigned to set up a gaming PC business and have to borrow a Rm20,000 loan for 5 years. There are two banks that you have surveyed for that loan, which are Berjaya Bank and Istiqomah Bank. Now, let's go through to the questions.
Question A. Calculate the total interest charge for each bank. The P is Rm20,000 and the T is 5 years. First, we calculate the Berjaya Bank. K is 0.0554, M was 2, I is 0.0277 and N is 10. Based on the information given, the answer is RM26,284.30. Next, the S that we get minus with 20,000 and the answer is RM6,284.30. Second, for the Istiqomah Bank, K is 0.0575, M is 4, I is 0.014375 and N is 20. Then we use the same method from Berjaya Bank and the answer for S is RM26,607.30. The interest charge is RM6,607.30.
Question B. Which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in question A and give your reason? The answer is, I choose the Berjaya Bank to borrow the loan because the interest rate charge is RM6,284.30 less than the Istiqomah Bank that charged RM6,607.30.
Question C. After 3 years, the bank changed the rate to 6% compounded monthly. How much should you pay at the end of 5 years? Calculate the total interest paid. For this question, we drew a timeline that covers 2 years. We will calculate I and N for both years using formula S is equals to P bracket 1 plus I power of N. We substitute the value. The answer is 23,562.87. For S2, we use the S1 as our new P and the new S is equals to 26,559.12 and the interest charge are 6,559.12.
Case study 2. Mr. Asi is a manager of a company and going to retire soon. He has two choices, either to withdraw the 3,500,000 or joining a private retirement plan which he will get 10,000 every month for 28 years.
For question A, we go for option 1 and we list out all the information about option 1. Using A is equals to R 1 minus bracket 1 plus I the power of negative n divided by T. And we calculate as usual until we get an answer 1.00075 power of negative 12T is equals to 0.7375, and we have to multiply it by log because we want to find the value of T, so the T is equal to 33.84 years.
After receiving his retirement, Mr. Asi thinking on buying a motorcycle for his son through an installment plan by making a down payment of 10%, followed by 60 equal monthly payments. The motorcycle costs 11,000 and the interest charge is 8% compounded monthly. Question B. Calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. The A is 9,900 ringgit, I is 0.08 divided by 12, and N is 60. To find the monthly payment, we replace the formula with the value which is 9,900 divided by bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.08 over 12 power of negative 60 over 0.08 divided by 12, and the answer is 200 ringgit 74 cent. Next, the interest charge is 2,144 ringgit 40 cent.
Question C. If he wants to settle all the loan immediately after paying the 20th monthly payment, first, how much additional payment does he have to make? N is 40, R is 274, I is 0.08 over 12. The final answer is RM 7,027 ringgit 71 cent. Second, how much interest is paid? The answer is RM 5,157 ringgit 31 cent. Question D. How much should he pay on his fourth payment to settle all outstanding areas? Based on the information we get, the final answer is RM 811 ringgit 3 cent.